Hey everyone, in today's Blender tutorial, I will show you how to create a smooth 360-degree circular bend which is perfect for creating loop rings and circular designs. Let's get started. First, open a Blender. I have already prepared a layer of bricks which is made of repeating brick patterns. We will use this as our base and bend it into a full ring. To get a smooth clean bend, we need to add some subdivisions. For that, go to the modifier tab, click on add modifier and choose the subdivision surface. Now set the levels to 5 and the render value to 2. Now comes the fun part. Add another modifier and choose Simple Deform. Set the deform type to bend and change the angle to 360 degree to create a full circle. So the shape does not bend the way we expect. Try switching the axis between X, Y or Z until it forms a proper ring. And that's it. You have now transformed your brick layer into a smooth circular bend. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Blender tips.